Hey, hello everyone, and welcoming you all to another video. Here we are having the Redmi 5, which I have purchased before 2 years, and hereby I'm trying to explain you how I am going to sell this mobile online. So this phone has pretty decent performance at this price range within 10k rupees. Released during the year of 2018 in India, and I have been using this without much issues till now. But if you want to upgrade your mobile by selling online, this video is for you. A quick disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video from the Cashify, but my complete experience on selling old phones online. So, as you see here, I have the Redmi 5 with specifications of 3 GB RAM and 32 gigs of internal storage, upgraded with the latest Android 8 Oreo version and supported with MI interface. I don't have much fault with this mobile, but if you feel like upgrading your mobile phone online, there are several sites that provides an option to sell a old mobile phone to various retailers. So I'm going to quickly open my mobile browser and search for sell old phones online. And here we see few results that are popping up on the Google search. So we have Cashify, Cash on Pick, Recycle Device, Instacash, Phone Cash, etc. etc. So my pick today is Cashify, and I wanted to share my experience with selling old device with Cashify. So here on this site, we do see a lot of options apart from selling mobile phones. And we do have an option for repairing a mobile phone if a phone is faulty, recycling your phone if your phone is dead, buying a new phone through Cashify site, or sell your smartwatch and selling your laptops as well if you have old laptops. You have other options as well like phone finder and visit to store options as well. I do see they have regulations for the COVID situations as well. Okay, so let's not waste our time and quickly walk through on selling my old mobile phone by clicking on sell your phone option. When you click this option, you will be prompted to select your own location. And since I'm residing from Chennai, I'm going to select Chennai as the option. So once you select your location, you will see the option to select the mobile devices that you have currently for selling. You can either search for your mobile device or you can select the brand name and choose the mobile phone from the list of display devices. So I'm quickly browsing through the list of devices for MI phone, and here I see the Redmi 5 series. I will quickly select this and choose the exact mobile phone I have. We have two mobile phones for Redmi 5 series, wherein one is the Redmi 5 and other is the Redmi 5A. I choose the Redmi 5 and select the variant that I have currently, which is 3 GB RAM and 32 gigs of storage variant. So once you select them, I will see the estimated price of selling my mobile phone, so which I see around 4,000 rupees. This is not going to be the exact price as the price will vary based on the condition of your mobile phone. So the Cashify website will ask you for a series of questions about your mobile phone varying from scratches, bends, defects, etc., etc., or anything corresponding to your mobile phone's conditions. So the next step will be to evaluate your device condition, and let's proceed with the further steps. We have the series of questions under the device evaluation. So based on corresponding exact value that you select, the mobile phones will be evaluated respectively. And please note that when you go through this process of evaluating your device, please be sure of what your mobile condition is and select the exact condition of a mobile phone. And this should not mismatch with what your mobile phone condition is. And here are a couple of questions like, are you able to receive your calls, and are there any problems or defects on mobile? If your mobile is under warranty, etc., etc. So based on my current condition of my mobile, so I will go through the options and select appropriately one by one. As you see, Redmi 5 mobile phone that I have doesn't have any bends or defects except few scratches on the mobile phone, as you can't have a mobile phone without even a scratch when you own it for more than a year. Also, the phone camera and the touch display and everything works fine with my phone. So I'm going to give the corresponding options from the device evaluation questions that you see on the screen. And again, to reiterate, please make sure you give the exact match of your mobile phone details during the device evaluation process, and this will be evaluated during the mobile phone inspection as well when the agent comes for receiving your mobile phone at your doorstep. So along with this, I do have the box of the Redmi phone, but unfortunately I don't have the charger, so I'm going to select those options as well that you see on the screen. So the key points, if your mobile phone is good without much scratches or dents or any kinds of problem that you have currently on a mobile phone, then it is best to sell online as you will receive the current market price of it. The exact price of selling a mobile phone may vary based on your selection. So once you finish with the device evaluation process, you will be prompted for asking your mobile phone number to log in through your mobile phone. And once you enter your mobile details along with the OTP that you receive, the exact value of the price is visible on the screen. Yes. So the price of the device is around 3820, which is evaluated based on the condition of my mobile phone that I gave. And you can even quickly go through the device evaluation report in cases if you want to make changes accordingly. So receiving the credit for selling your mobile phone is pretty easy. Like you can choose either of the options, like opting for cash to be debited to your bank account, or you can even choose the gift card options as well. The gift card options like Flipkart, Amazon, Tata Click, and Chroma options are available from the Cashify, and if you need, you can go ahead and select those options. If you have any further questions, you can even very well go through the FAQ section as well. And now I'm going to select the get paid options, and quickly we will select the pickup address and the date of pickup for the device. Do provide the exact details as the representative will come and collect your phone at your doorstep with no hassle, and choose the type of payment that I wanted to receive further. And I'm going to choose the UPI payment option, and I have already added my payment details though. So once you are done with the process, there you go. You will receive the confirmation message and an email confirmation too. You can even track the progress of the mobile phone until the phone is being collected. And the best part of selling your phone online is you will get the cash instantly, and once the representative collects your mobile phone at your doorstep, the rep will initiate the payment and verifies the device. If it matches with the details that you have provided, then it's good to go. You will receive the exact amount that you see during the mobile evaluation process. But if there is any discrepancies, then you will be charged accordingly, and the device evaluation might get lower as per the inspection by the rep. So this is one of these processes that you can do if you want to sell your mobile phone online. And hopefully this video might be useful for those who want to sell your old mobile phone online, and there is no option to bargain to get the higher evaluation of a mobile phone as you do with selling your old phone with the offline stores, which I see as a drawback here. But I still feel like this evaluation of the price is up to the mark and matches with the market value when compared with other websites like Instacash, PhoneCash, and Recycle Device, etc. So that's it for the video today. Hope you have enjoyed the video. So please do comment if you have any questions or queries, and press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get the updates on the future videos as well. So until then, see you guys next time.